Hey, what happened, brother? Why did you let go of her hand as soon as I got here? If that's the case, then I believe.
No, Anu. It's nothing like that. We were just talking about you only. Hmm?
What are you both discussing about me?
He was asking me that what's going on in Anushka's life? Because she's looking colorful.
Really? So, what did you say, sister in law?
I said that I do not know. He should ask you.
Anyway, alright, you both carry on. I shall take your leave. I have some work.
Sister in law, brother was blushing like a newly married bride.
Even this is an art, darling. One needs to retain the charm. Even you will learn when the time is right. Okay, forget about all this. You tell me, what about your misunderstanding?
Well, what could happen? It hasn't been resolved.
What?
If he gives me a chance, then I will clarify it. You know what? I have been waiting for his call from yesterday, but he has disappeared completely. By the way, this misunderstanding has proven one thing.
What is that?
That Siddhant's reaction suggests he wasn't pleased to hear about my marriage. I feel there is some emotion which he is suppressing. These things surface in such situations. Sister-in-law? Who is he? Do you know him?
No idea.
Come, let's see.
Come.
Welcome home.
How are you, sir?
I am good. How are you?
I'm great.
Let's
Please.
go.
You people stay here.
But sir,
They are with me. I'll be fine, don't worry.
Vedant, welcome, welcome. God bless you. And keep winning. You are such an established politician, yet you're taking my blessings.
Sir, today I'm not here as a politician. I'm here as a brother. And I have a principle in life. If I get a chance to take the blessings of elders, then I always seize that opportunity.
Good principle. This is my daughter-in-law, Riddhi.
Hi.
And this is my daughter, Anushka Reddy.
Hello.
Hi, Anushka.
And this is Vedant Srivastav. He is the pillar of our ruling party. Pillar. And he is Nupur's cousin as well. He's come with a marriage proposal.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Come.
By the way, Nupur was born and brought up in Singapore. In fact, 2 generations of their entire family has been settled there. But when you meet Nupur, it will be hard for you to believe this. Even though she lives abroad, she has held on to her roots.
Are you getting angry, Siddhant? Tell me, what is this if this isn't love?
Anu, why are you so lost? They are discussing about marriage and you're lost in your phone. Such things happen in our rallies as well, Karthik. The public is busy with their phones when I deliver my speech.
Yes, a man who can joke about himself is the most serious man you can meet.
By the way, Miss Anushka, my work and the work of your HR department is quite similar, to keep people together and to be connected with them. It's a belief that we can't achieve much on our own, but we can achieve a lot when everyone is together.
Helen Keller had said that. She had said that.
Sir, if you allow, I would like to have a word with Karthik in private.
Why?
Look, Nupur trusts my judgment completely, and she wanted me to meet Karthik in private. She wanted me to tell him what I feel. After all, it's a matter of my sister's future. Look, it's easy to accept a daughter-in-law. Things work out fine because she comes into our family. But a daughter, she needs to go to someone else's family.
You are right. Speak to him. You should be satisfied before fixing the wedding. Huh? Go on.
Come.
Hello, Sunshine Hospital?
Good morning. I want to make an appointment with Dr. Vijay Shiadri.
Who is the patient, sir?
It's me. I'm the patient.
What's your name, sir?
Dipesh?
Dipesh. Dipesh what?
Dipesh Chaube.
Dipesh Chaube. Sir, I'll check with the cardiology department and tell you. Will you please hold the line?
Sure.
Sir, hello?
Yes, tell me. When can I come?
I'm sorry, sir. Dr. Sadri is not available, but shall I fix your appointment with Dr. Dheer?
No, I want to make an appointment with Dr. Shiadri only. When will he be available?
He has moved to Mumbai. He has joined the UN Health Mission in Uganda. I don't know when he will come, sir. So shall I fix your appointment with Dr. Dheer? He's a good doctor too.
Why are you making a call to the hospital? Who's unwell?
One of Sweetie's relative. Mom, did you serve the breakfast? I need to leave soon.
Yes, I had come to call you for that only. Come.
So, sir, I'll take my leave now.
So, did you like Karthik?
When shall I call Nupur? In fact, I think our family should also meet.
Whenever you want.
Okay then, let's call them here in a couple of days.
Okay.
Stay blessed. I'm not used to all this, sir.
Come. Let's see Vedant off.
See you, man. See you soon.
Okay, bye. This guy looks very special.
What do you mean?
He is about to become a cabinet minister. His name has been proposed at the ministry. If he becomes one, he will be the youngest cabinet minister of the country.
How do you know?
What do you think? Only Vedant Srivastav knew everything about us. Hey, I know everything about him.
Are you up to something?
Well, he can be a very good choice for Anushka.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू